Welcome to you in our YouTube channel English Speaking Course Shiroda, and here are our students, and here some students have completed 1 month, 2 months, and now I will take their revision of sentences. Okay, I will ask them Marathi sentences and they will translate into English, and without skipping video you must watch till the end, and you observe that who are giving fast and more answers. Okay, so students, are you ready? Okay, start. I will ask you. You have to raise your hand. Take mic and you have to answer. Got it? Okay. So first sentence. ती खेळत आहे.
She is play.
तो मला बोलवत होता.
He was called me.
He was wrong. Yes.
She is calling me.
तो मला बोलवत होता.
He was calling me.
Very good. Next, मी येणार नाही.
I will not coming.
I will not come. Yes. ती मला समजावत नाही.
She didn't explain me.
Wrong.
She doesn't explain me.
She doesn't explain. Again.
She doesn't explain me.
तो मला बोलवत आहे.
He is calling me.
मी प्रश्न लिहिला.
I wrote catch.
तिने मला बोलवलं नाही.
She didn't call me.
तो माझ्या सोबत खेळत नाही.
He didn't play with me.
Wrong. तो माझ्या सोबत खेळत नाही.
He does not play with me.
Very good. Yeah. मी तिकडे जाते.
मी तिकडे
जाते.
I am going there.
I goes there. I goes.
What? Wrong.
I go there.
I go there. आम्ही तिला बोलवले नाही.
We didn't call him.
Call her. तिने मोर पाहिलेला आहे.
तिने
मोर पाहिलेला आहे.
She had seen a peacock.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. मी बाजारात गेलेलो होतो.
I had gone to market.
ती विचार करत नाही.
ती विचार करत नाही.
She does not think. Wrong.
She does not think.
Go first. Okay. मी तिला सांगत असेल. मी तिला सांगत असेल.
मी तिला सांगत असेल. I will be telling her.
Very good. Excellent. ती पुस्तक वाचत होती. ती पुस्तक वाचत होती.
ती पुस्तक वाचत होती. She was reading a book.
She was reading a book. Yeah. But yes, Paridhi is also trying very best. I really appreciate her because of she is in second standard, and then also she is trying best. Yeah. Yes. मी तिकडे जात आहे.
I am going there.
मी पेन आणत होते.
मी पेन आणत
होते.
I was bringing pen.
Very good. मी ड्रेस घेतला.
I take a dress.
I brought dress.
घेतला.
I take a dress. I took a dress.
I took dress. Verb second by. Okay. Next, ती भाजी आणते.
She brings a vegetable.
Okay, she brings vegetables. Next, ती मला समजावत आहे.
She is explaining me.
Explaining. तो विचार करत आहे.
He is thinking.